The Blackweb Dashcam. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Blackweb Dashcam, a very inexpensive cam that you can pick up for under $20. I have the link in the description below for the current pricing. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a product guide, a vehicle power adapter, micro USB cable, and the windshield mount. This can take 1080p video and has a 120-degree wide-angle lens. It has a 1.5-inch display, continuous recording, along with the G sensor for automatically saving video during and after sudden braking or collision. It comes with an 8 gig micro SD card. The suction mount is easy to operate. It has a ball joint which you can rotate to your desired angle and tighten it in place with the wheel right above it. Pressing it against the glass and pushing the lever up will lock it into place. Here on the front, you can see the lens. On the side of the lens, you have the micro USB port for power. On the back, you have the various buttons to navigate through the menu, which I will go over in a bit. On the other side is a slot for the micro SD card. The top, you have the microphone and reset button, along with the mounting slot for the suction cup. The camera is about 2.5 inches in length, just under 2 inches wide, and a thickness of less than 1 inch. Scrolling through the menu is easy. You have the power button on the bottom right, the up, menu, and down buttons on the left, the OK button on the right side, which will start and stop recording as well. You can record with or without audio. The menu options include resolution, loop recording, exposure, motion detection, audio settings, date, time, and sensor. There are additional settings for power modes, screensavers, sounds, language, frequency, default options, and version. The suction mount is very stable once mounted. You can scroll through the menu with no issues. Now here are some sample videos recorded at 1080p. You can read the larger signs with no issues, but when it comes to license plates, it becomes difficult. The video quality is not as clear and can be pixelated at times. There were times during the video where it kind of struggled and it was a bit jittery. The Blackweb Dashcam. This is priced under $20. I was not impressed with the video quality, and I'm sure if you are willing to spend a bit more, you can get something better. But if you truly want an inexpensive dashcam, this will do the job, but not with the highest quality, in my opinion. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.